What's up with y'all? So, bro, this week was cool. It started off bad. It started off with a lot of losses, but I recouped it off with just one trade, bro. One trade, and that's the power of trading, bro. That's just like, it doesn't matter about the losses you take. It just matters about how you come back, bro, and how you come back to the finish line, So I ended the week off at break even. Probably wasn't my goal. Like, I could have traded today. It's a Friday, but I want to stick to my goals. I want to stick to my rules and actually be disciplined, because honestly, before I would have probably traded today, but I've been said like I'm not trading Fridays. And honestly, I just want to end the week off in a good note. So that's what I did. I stayed true to my rules and be disciplined, So this week was cool for me. It was cool. But honestly, I'm just gonna keep on pushing, keep on going, just keep on studying, bro. I gotta go over my trades this weekend and just honestly just look at, okay, what I need to improve on, what I need to get better on in the markets, so I can achieve my 100K goal for this year. And honestly, just keep on pushing, bro. I'm not worried about anybody else. Bro, if anybody's watching this video, keep on going and keep on pushing, bro. Like, keep on going towards your goals. If you trading is for you, bro, I know you can achieve it. Keep on studying, bro, and just keep on having perseverance and put God first, man. So let's get to it. Alright, so look, I'm about to go over my trades real quick. So basically, the trades I took for this week, bro, I only took about like 3 trades this week. So when news came out, I wasn't on the chart. I knew news was gonna come out, so I waited till like 9 o'clock. And I seen this retracement at 9 o'clock, 16:00, right? So I was on that camera, so then I dive into the 5-minute time frame. So I'm like, okay. First off, in the 15-minute time frame, we see that we're still high, bro. I want to buy at a low. I want to buy when the price is at a cheaper price, So if we buy right here, you're going to get stopped out. You know why? Because it's not at a cheap price right now. We're still at a high right here. So what you want to do is you want to wait until price comes to the cheapest price possible. So even right here, we do have a nice entry candle with this bullish 5-minute candle right there. That's a cool entry, but that's not an entry for me. My entries is I wait on a 1-minute time frame. So now once we know that we're in buy confirmations, we're about to transition to a buy. Even though price did shift structure right here, we did have a higher high, but we need a higher low. So when price came back down, it didn't really respect this zone. It still wanted to feel like it wanted to keep on selling. So now this is our low, this is our high. Came back up to make a low, equal lows, but came back up to make a lower high with a doji, and then we came back down. So now what I do is I'm like, okay, that's a nice downtrend right here in the 1 minute, so I want to draw my trend line. So now I drew my trend line. Once I seen that price, okay, we came back and we tested my old trend line right here. We came back up, made an internal higher low. So I'm entering right there because it shifted structure right here. We don't see any higher lows within this downtrend right here, but we do see a higher low right here. So I enter right here, and put my stops below this 1 minute for like 50 pip stop loss. And then I targeted, honestly, my TP, I held it. So honestly, price did hit my TP, but I didn't hold all the way till here. This was my original TP, but I closed right here just because I need to follow the consistency rule. And I just can't make that much profit like they want me to. They're trying to hold me, but it's all good. So that was my trade on gold, and I just follow my rules every day. So as long as I keep on sticking to my rules, bro, I'm going to be successful. I'm going to flow in the market and just honestly keep on adapting. So I'm gonna get ready for next week, and we're gonna have a wonderful year this year. So I promise that for sure. Next week. Hold up. But yeah, today's Friday, bro. Today's my off day. I just gotta get ready for the charts, and just keep on practicing, bro. I want to honestly just keep on leveling up in life, bro. Next week I'm gonna have a way much better week. I broke even this week, and I just have to keep on growing that account so I can get to this payout, and then just keep on reinvesting into getting more capital, so I can become financially free. But I'm gonna achieve all of my goals this year. I'm gonna stay consistent on YouTube. I'm gonna stay consistent in life. And just keep on posting. Right now it's only about probably like average 10 views on YouTube. I just started, but it's gonna be my turn. It's gonna be my turn to actually level up. And bro, so I'm gonna actually achieve 10K subscribers and 100K subscribers. And I'm gonna keep on pushing. But In this game, bro, in trading, you gotta be disciplined, consistent. You gotta have a lot of perseverance and always put God first, number one. And that's all I'm gonna do. So, as long as you guys keep on doing that, bro, you're gonna be successful in whatever you want to achieve, you know. So just keep on pushing, keep on putting God first in everything you do, and just keep on leveling up. So I'm gonna go back do Uber Eats. I just had to take a break. I'm gonna see y'all soon. We're gonna keep on grinding. So let's go. What's up, bro? Today's another day, bro. How y'all doing today, man? Today's another day. So basically, I just want to talk about bro, my journey on trading, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. It's been a journey, but honestly, today I had a wonderful day in the markets, bro. I was trading gold. I seen a nice, lovely buy, bro. I seen a nice, lovely buy setup, and you know, I just wanted to buy. So I'm gonna dive into the trade right now. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Always God bless. Always put God first. And honestly, this is my journey on becoming a 7-figure trader, man. I hope you guys like, comment, subscribe on my journey, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Alright, so what's up with y'all? So basically, bro, honestly, I like using MetaTrader. I don't know why. It just feels like I'm a hacker whenever I trade on MetaTrader. You know, I don't know if that's me, but I guess that's just me. I guess. So basically, on the 4-hour time frame, we obviously see that price is just in a massive bullish trend. That doesn't mean I'm just gonna keep on looking for buys. So now, once I dive into the 15-minute time frame, this is the time frame I'm analyzing. I'm looking to see what the market is doing. So basically, as we see, we can take this vertical line. We go right here around like. I came on the charts around like 9 a.m. or like 8:30 a.m. So once we see that price, as you see, price was coming back down in a nice downtrend, and then we broke my trend line right here, and then price pushed back up, and then when we tested the trend line, came back down. Even though we broke structure right here, it didn't matter. We came back up and we kind of consolidated a little bit, but we were still in a bullish trend, and you can see that it was still holding this trend line right here. See me, I like to analyze with trend lines. You know, that's just me. I don't know if that's you guys. If that's you, comment down below. But I like analyzing with trend lines, you know, and just seeing where the market is going. So now once I see, okay, we actually broke out of these highs right here. So I could have bought when it broke out, but I wanted to make sure that it wasn't a fake out. So what I did was I went to the 5-minute time frame. I scaled down. Let's move this vertical line away. I scaled down. And then I seen that price actually broke out, came back and retested. But I'm not gonna lie, I did take a sell on this trade. I don't know why. I took a sell because I thought that price was actually going to like retrace back to the fib, at least down in this area, you know, and then probably buy. But I was wrong. But it's okay. So I took a small loss in that trade right there. But then I hopped back in and I bought off that bullish candle right there, so we can scale in another time frame to the 1-minute time frame. And then we see that price came back up and made a nice high low right here. So when price makes a high low, what you want to do, you want to buy, bro. So all I did was buy right here, put my stop loss right below this candle right here. I bought right here, stop loss right below. My TP was actually right above here for almost 100 pips. So I caught a nice 1 to 3, 1 to 4 trade today. You know, I was supposed to only catch a 1 to 2, but I accidentally forgot to put my TP. And you know, price, honestly, bro, if I held, bro, oh my goodness, price kept on going. But just look at how much pips it went, bro. Oh my god. But yeah, that was my analysis for today. You know, honestly, bro, I just feel like I'm getting better. I'm not gonna lie, I just feel like I'm getting better, bro. I just know that God's gonna bless me. I just know that I'm on this journey, bro. I'm gonna achieve that 7 figures, bro. Just watch.